Don't know if you can tell, but we got a lot of snow here in Michigan. Up here where we're at, we got about 12, 15 inches. And of course, the trans in my plow truck decided to go out. So here's my normal truck. I'm trying to figure out what to do. And I'm thinking and thinking. I come up with this little contraption here, right? Didn't think it would work. I figured I'm just wasting my time, but all it is 2 pieces of plywood, a 2x4 on the top to give a little bit of support, 2x4 down the one side. I guess you could do both sides if you want. And I had a 4x6 chilling in the pole barn, just a piece of scrap wood that I was going to use for some project, and put it all together. It took me about 20 minutes with the scrap wood I had. Then I hooked it up to the truck. I was like, all right, how can I do this? Wrapped it around the ball, hooked it underneath to the mounts on both sides to where it would kind of stay separated and not all come back to the center. Believe it or not, this thing worked as a freaking pull behind plow. So we're gonna get going and take it for a run down the driveway.
William, and then once the snow picks up, you put your feet on the strings, okay? Yeah. So once the snow starts picking up to where your feet are, then
You're gonna have to jump on with him. He ain't nearly heavy enough. We'll scoot over a little. And you can see you gotta make a couple passes with it, but we're getting down to gravel here. So I had to throw both the kids on there. Yesterday it was I was sitting on the back while the wife was pulling it, and it was getting real good. I'm a bigger guy, so you gotta have some weight on it. But it's definitely a 2-person job. But I mean, when you're in a bind, you got to figure a way out. Just a couple pieces of scrap wood laying around in the tow strap, guys. Hope this helps.